Hi, I'm Kian, and today I want to show you how to solve this beautiful integral. The integral of natural log of x over 1 plus natural log of x whole thing squared. So, first of all, you may think that it's like a u substitution integral, but it's not. If you let u to be equal to the denominator 1 plus natural log of x, then it would be a very nasty integral. Instead, I'm going to use integration by parts, or we can say the DI method, the derivative of integral. So, first of all, I'm going to multiply both sides, both the numerator and denominator by x. And I'm going to let you why I did this when we solve this integral. So, now I'm going to use a DI method. I'm going to write it here. D stands for the derivative and I stands for the integral. And then plus, minus. And now I'm going to integrate 1 over 1 plus natural log of x squared times x. So I'm going to integrate 1 over 1 plus natural log of x and then squared, then multiplied by x. And I'm going to differentiate x times ln x. X times ln of x. Okay, let's do the easier one first. Differentiating x times ln x. So I'm going to use a different color. Differentiating this require the product rule. So I'm going to write d dx of x times ln x. Okay, so the product rule says that for differentiating these products, we should say the product of the first, so we should differentiate the first one times the second one. So differentiating x is just 1 times ln x, so we just get ln x. And then for the second part, we should add it to the derivative of the second one times first one. 1 over x times x, differentiating ln x, we get 1 over x times x, we get plus 1. So we get ln x and then plus 1. And now I'm going to use a different color for integrating 1 over 1 plus natural log of x squared. I'm going to use black. Okay, so we're going to do this in our head. So we're going to let u substitution, u to be equal to 1 plus natural log of x. We know that du is just 1 over x dx. So we know that dx is x du. And when we put it in a u world, we see that the x's cancel. And just we should integrate 1 over u squared in the u world, which is negative 1 over u. But what is u? U is 1 plus natural log of x. So the integral is just negative 1 over u, which is negative 1 over 1 plus natural log of x. Now we're just done. We should just match the parts. So the first part of the answer is just the product of these two cross terms. So for our answer, we get negative x ln x and then all over 1 plus ln x. And for the second part of the answer, we should multiply these two and integrate them. So the first part was the product of these two cross terms, and the second one was the integral of the product. But you see that negative ln of x plus 1 cancels with this. So we should just integrate 1 in the x world, which gives us x. And because I'm going to simplify it more, I'm gonna make a common denominator and then multiply 1 over 1 plus ln x to both sides. So I'm getting negative x ln x, and then all over 1 plus ln x, and when we multiply this by x, we get plus x plus x ln x plus x ln x, and all over 1 plus ln x. And you see that in this case, when we make a common denominator, negative x ln x and x ln x cancel, so we're just left with x over 1 plus ln x for our final answer. And also a plus c at the end. Plus a constant c. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and watch previous videos. Goodbye.